What's good, everyone, and what's good 2021? Oh shit, I didn't even mean that to rhyme, but it rhymed. So it's a new year. This is the first video of 2021 for me, and I am excited. I have like a different energy going into 2021. Like I feel different. I have a lot of goals this year and I hope to achieve it. So I don't know, I feel something different coming into 2021. I hope you guys do as well, because 2020 was just like not the year for anybody. I mean, there's a pandemic, there's still a pandemic going on. Just like so much has happened in 2020 that I feel like 2021, we need to make it our year and just like dominate 2021, because hey, it's our year. But yeah, I was actually at my parents' place for the holidays. I just came back to Tampa, and when I came back to my room, I completely forgot how trashed it is, because I left in such a hurry that there's literally trash like everywhere. Mess. Bathroom is actually kind of okay. Oh, no. Mess. So yeah, I am gonna like clean my room. That's like my thing for 2021, like coming back to Tampa is cleaning my room and then putting all my stuff away and organizing it. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you guys like how I do it, or like how I'm cleansing my room and my mind and my body for 2021 by just cleaning and organizing my room. I know that sounds so stupid, so weird. I don't even know what I'm gonna be showing you guys, because I feel like it's gonna be kind of boring, but hey, why not? Why not start the year off strong with a boring video, right? So, 2021 is starting off with a fantastic bang, because I just realized my phone died while I was cleaning my entire room, and I was trying to show y'all me cleaning, but that's not gonna happen anymore since I don't have the footage. So now I'm gonna show you the other boring stuff of me just putting away of this. Yay. It's actually the next day, yeah, about yesterday. I was like filming like me putting away my stuff and organizing, and I was kind of like, this has to be the most boring video on the face of the planet, on YouTube, like ever. Like, who wants to watch me organize my room? Like, I'm not even really organizing, I'm just like kind of putting stuff in random places, and some places it just doesn't even make sense. So I'm kind of like, what's the point? So I'm gonna make this like a couple of days in my life. Today I got some things to do and run some errands, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's hope I remember to film. But right now I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, because I kind of want to film some TikToks, honestly. Then we're gonna go shopping and get groceries, because I literally have no food in my apartment, like nothing. The aftermath of filming, like so many packages I need to ship out. It's insane. I already shipped out like 2 of them, and then I have like 3 or 4 more. I know I have so many packages. That's basically what I'm doing now, and then I'm gonna go probably TJ Maxx or Target. I'm not entirely sure, but one of those 2, grocery shopping, and then come back, because I completely forgot there's like a Sephora virtual event thing, and I want to attend it. So yeah, I'm gonna get going. So I ended up not going to TJ Maxx or Target, because I realized I'm not gonna have enough time, and I should probably get on the virtual event thing like now. I have like 1 more minute, but yeah, I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna show you guys some clips from it. Not sponsored or anything, just want to show you guys like some of these events that Sephora holds. Okay, so it's a little bit later, well, like much later. I had some dinner. What did I have for dinner? Oh my god, what did I have for dinner? That's alarming considering I had it like an hour ago. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like me and my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, just click the little bell icon that's right next to it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.